How to start a successful YouTube channel. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin? Well, imagine turning your passion into a thriving platform, reaching millions, and even monetizing it, all without ever showing your face. Today, I'm going to walk you through 13 proven steps to start a successful, faceless YouTube channel from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner in content creation. Whether you're into tech, fitness, or storytelling, the world is your oyster. Let's dive into the essentials of creating a channel that could change your life. Number 1. Choose the right niche. Your niche is the foundation of your YouTube channel. It determines your audience, content, and even your monetization potential. To choose the right niche, start by picking something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This will make it easier to create consistent, high-quality content. Next, ensure your niche has high demand but low competition. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to analyze search volume and competition scores. Their links are in the description. For example, niches like tech tutorials, personal finance, or health and wellness are always in demand. Choosing the right niche sets you up for long-term success. For more information on the best faceless YouTube niches, watch my video, 13 Faceless YouTube Niches That Are Exploding in Popularity. Number 2. Research your audience and competitors. Understanding your audience and competitors is key to creating content that stands out. Start by using tools like Google Trends, YouTube search, and keyword tools to find trending topics in your niche. This will help you identify what your audience is searching for. Next, analyze your competitors' channels to see what's working and what's missing. Look for gaps in their content that you can fill. For example, if your competitors are only creating beginner-level tutorials, you could focus on advanced tips. Knowing your audience's pain points and creating content that solves their problems will set you apart. Number 3. Plan your content strategy. A clear content plan ensures consistency and keeps your channel focused. Start by creating a content calendar to schedule your uploads. Aim for 1 to 2 videos per week to keep your audience engaged and the algorithm happy. Focus on evergreen content that remains relevant over time, like tutorials or how-to guides. But don't be afraid to mix in trending topics to attract new viewers. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could create a mix of evergreen tutorials and reviews of the latest gadgets. A solid content strategy keeps your channel on track and growing. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and subscription brings us closer to that goal, so let's grow together. Now, let's get back to the video, because the next steps are just as important. Number 4. Use AI tools to create content. AI tools are a game changer for faceless YouTube channels. They save time and help you create professional quality content without showing your face. For script writing, tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI can help you write engaging scripts in minutes. When it comes to voiceovers, 11 Labs and PlayHT offer realistic, human-like AI voices. For video creation, tools like Pictory and Runway ML can turn your scripts into stunning visuals automatically. And don't forget tools like Canva and InVideo for easy editing and thumbnails. With AI, you can create high-quality videos without breaking a sweat. Their links are in the description. Number 5. Optimize your videos for SEO. SEO is crucial for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. Start by using keywords in your title, description, and tags. For example, if you're creating a video about budgeting, use a title like How to Start Investing with $100. Next, create eye-catching thumbnails with bold text and contrasting colors. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Finally, write compelling titles that spark curiosity, like Top 5 Secrets to Double Your Productivity. Optimizing your videos for SEO helps them rank higher and attract more viewers. You're getting some great insights so far, but stay tuned, there's more. In the next section, I'll reveal how you can use high-quality production, consistency, and audience engagement to take your channel to the next level. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It could be the breakthrough your channel needs. Number 6. Focus on high-quality production. High-quality videos keep viewers engaged and improve your channel's credibility. Start by investing in good audio quality. A decent microphone or AI voiceovers can make a huge difference in how professional your videos sound. Next, ensure your videos have smooth editing with clear pacing and transitions. Avoid long, boring intros and get straight to the point. Finally, add background music from platforms like Epidemic Sound or the YouTube Audio Library to set the tone and keep viewers hooked. High-quality production sets you apart from the competition. Number 7. Be consistent with uploads. Consistency is key to growing your YouTube channel. It builds trust with your audience and keeps the algorithm happy. Start by setting a realistic upload schedule, like 1 to 2 videos per week. Stick to your schedule, even if your audience is small at first. Consistency shows YouTube that your channel is active, which can help you rank higher in search results. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to plan and schedule your content in advance. A consistent upload schedule is the backbone of a successful channel. Number 8. Engage with your audience. Engagement builds a loyal community and boosts your channel's visibility. Start by responding to comments and asking questions to encourage interaction. This makes your viewers feel valued and more likely to stick around. Use the Community tab to post polls, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. This keeps your audience engaged between uploads. Finally, encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe in every video. A loyal community is your channel's greatest asset. Number 9. Monetize your channel. Monetization transforms your channel into a sustainable source of income. The first step is applying for the YouTube Partner Program once you reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. This enables you to start earning from ads placed on your videos, which is a great starting point for monetization. After that, dive into affiliate marketing by promoting products or services relevant to your niche. This allows you to earn a commission on sales made through your affiliate links. Additionally, consider creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates that offer value to your audience. As your channel grows, you can also explore partnerships with brands for sponsorships, further boosting your income potential. Diversifying your income streams is essential, as it ensures you're not relying solely on one source, giving you more financial stability and flexibility in the long run. Number 10. Analyze and improve. Regular analysis helps you understand what's working and what's not. Use YouTube Analytics to track metrics like watch time, CTR, and audience retention. These insights will help you refine your content strategy. Experiment with different content formats, thumbnails, and titles to see what performs best. Learn from your competitors and adapt your strategy based on trends. Data-driven decisions are the key to long-term success. Number 11. Stay patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Focus on long-term growth rather than quick wins. Celebrate small milestones like hitting 100 subscribers or 1,000 views to stay motivated. Keep learning and improving your skills as a creator. Watch tutorials, read blogs, and stay updated on YouTube trends. Patience and persistence are the secrets to turning your channel into a success. Number 12. Promote your channel. Outside YouTube, promoting your channel on other platforms helps you reach a wider audience. Share your videos on social media like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Repurpose your content into shorts, reels, or blog posts to maximize its reach. Collaborate with other creators or join online communities in your niche. Cross-promotion is a powerful way to grow your audience and attract new subscribers. Don't limit your content to just YouTube, spread it everywhere. Number 13. Avoid burnout. Burnout can kill your creativity and motivation, so it's essential to take care of yourself. Set realistic goals and allow yourself breaks when needed. Focus on creating content you enjoy, rather than obsessing over metrics or chasing perfection. If possible, outsource tasks like editing or script writing to save time and reduce stress. A healthy creator is a productive creator, so prioritize self-care and keep your passion alive. Remember, balance is key. Your creativity will thrive when you take care of yourself. Now that you know the 13 steps to start a successful YouTube channel, which one will you focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more YouTube growth tips. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support means the world to me. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.